Welcome my fibre friends. Today is Deramores yarn haul number 9, and I've got, they sent it in 2 different parcels, so I've got 2 big parcels. So let's open the first one. It's that long ago I ordered them towards the end of February. So, and they've just been sat in the cupboard because I've had other things to do. So, let's see what I've bought. I've bought this. This is called pomegranate, and I'll just hold it up so you can see it while I read off. It's a Style Craft Special Aran. It's 100% premium acrylic, 196 meters, 214 yards, machine washable, cool tumble dry, cool iron, and you may dry clean it. It's a H8 US hook, 5mm, or a 6 US 8 knitting needle, and it's called pomegranate. So I've got 5 of them. Then I ordered Deramores Studio yarn and the anti-pilling Aran, because I had no Aran in my pile. I bought 5 of these, and again it's an US 8 5mm knitting needles, 5mm, and an 8H hook, 100 grams, 165 meters, 180 yards, 100% acrylic, and this colour is called Ash, and I got 5 of them. And last but not least, in this bag I got the Chunky. Again, it's Deramores Studio, and you all know I love Deramores Studio, and the yarn is so soft. And this was made in, where was this made? This is called Elephant. Let me just find where it is. Can't see where this was made. Anyway, this is a Chunky. So, and it's called Elephant. I quite like the colour. So it's a US 13 9mm needles, a 6.5 or a K 10.5 hook, machine washable at 40 degrees, cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, 100 grams, 80 meters, 87 yards, and it's 100% acrylic, and it was made in Turkey. And this is Deramores, and it is so soft. Now you all know I'm a big fan of Deramores Studio anti-pilling yarn. Just love it. So I got 5 of them, and this is made in Turkey too, and this is made in Turkey too, under license for to Style Craft. So I got those colours. Don't they look nice together? I think they look really nice together. So that was the first package. The second package, which is a lot bigger, and I know this is all either Aran or Chunky yarn, because I haven't got much Chunky or Aran yarn. So, oh dear, 2, 4, 5. So again, this is Style Craft Aran, and it's duck egg blue. Isn't it lovely? Again, it's made in Turkey, 100% premium acrylic, 196 meters, 214 yards, and it's duck egg blue. and it's 100 grams. So I've got 5 of those. And then I got the same yarn, Aran in white, and I got 5 of those. I like Stylecraft, but my very best favourite, it has to be the Studio yarn. And I got this lovely blue, and won't they go together nicely? And this is Aran. Oh, I hate that. I don't like that. I hate it when that happens. Anyway, so this is anti-pilling Aran. Again, it's made in Turkey, and it's called Persian Blue. And it's the same specs as before. 100% acrylic, made in Turkey, US 8 knitting needles and hook, and a 5mm knitting needle and hook. So yeah, so that is Persian Blue. And I've got 2 more. I've got, again, Deramores Aran, and I can't tell you how soft this is. Honest to God, it is so soft. Again, this is called Espresso, and the same specs as before, and I really like that. I really like that. Yeah, so it's 100 grams, 180 yards, 165 meters. So I've got 5 of those. And last but not least, I got the grey. And I did this because this is Aran again, and this is called Pewter. Isn't it a nice yarn? And this is very soft too. So I am going to, so that is my haul. So I bought, but what do you think of these 2 colours together? I mean, in fact, they quite like that together. And this is Aran. So they're all really nice, yummy colours that I can blend together. So is this? See, I really like that and that together as well. They're both Aran. And I like brown and blue. I could put them 2 together, or I could put them 2 together, them 3 together. I think they would look nice, don't you think? So thank you once again for watching. I'll put the links below to Deramores and the yarn that I purchased. I'll put a link to the Aran and a link to the chunky. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my chunky yarn haul. Chunky and Aran, because I realised that I've got chunky, but I've got no Aran, and sometimes I quite fancy this winter. I know we're only in March. I quite fancy making a nice chunky blanket or a throw for my lounge, and these colours will work well in my lounge. Yeah, because my lounge is kind of teals and browns and creams. So I'm liking, but that duck egg blue is not like the duck egg blue that I know. But hey ho, who are we to say? Anyway, stay safe everybody. Thank you for coming and into my little crochet nook. And until next time, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.